boys and girls. Welcome to Bible 365, Bible Stories and Prayers, where we read one Bible story a day for one whole year. Yesterday, we were reading how Lot is rescued from Sodom, Genesis 18, verse 17 through 22. And today, we're going to read about Lot's wife and how she looked back. No sooner had Lot and his family left the city than the sky above Sodom turned the color of blood. Wow. And the ground began to shake. A great shower of fire and burning gas started to rain down on the city. "Run for the hills," the angels told the family. "Don't look back." Lot and his daughters ran for their lives, but Lot's wife could only think of everything she had left behind. She stopped running and looked back with longing at the city behind her and was turned into a pillar of salt. Okay, so what did you learn? Lady turned into salt. And what else? Okay, so that was today's lesson. Tomorrow we're learning about Isaac and Rebekah, Genesis 24. I thank you very much, boys and girls, and I'll see you in my next one. Later. Subscribe.